Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video I'm going to show you how to animate text and images inside a SwiftUI project to create an interesting intro screen for your app. So let's get started. So now I am creating a struct inside the content view with the name of text animator, which will handle the text animation inside the content view. So the important function here is basically the effect value, which will declare a translation variable CGA affine transform with no translation across the x-axis, but some with the amount minus amount into size dot height along the y-axis, and it is then rotated by a certain value, which is basically dot pi into 4 into amount. And after that we are going to return this projection transform and apply it to our text. So here I have added some of the private variables inside the content view which will handle the animations of different objects inside our UI. I am going to explain these when I am going to use them inside the UI elements. So the first one is basically on the top of Z stack. I am going to create a circle. That circle will have an variable with the animate circle which will basically help it to switch between 0 and 1. Then we have created a stroke with green color, a frame, and a rotation effect. Rotation effect will basically help it to move between 0 to 36 degrees. When it will complete a 36 degree, it will go back to 0. And then there is an animation with an easing dot ease in out of a duration 1.5 seconds, and it is going to repeat forever, and it is not going to auto reverse itself. So this is for the circle that we are going to animate on the screen. After that we are going to basically create an image. So the image will be on top of the circle. The image will have all the properties that I've mentioned here. Frame, I have clipped it so that the square logo will be converted into a circle. I am using my own channel's logo. And then I have set opacity and animation with again the ease in out with the duration, and it will play after a delay of 3 seconds. And now I am going to basically write something to on tapping of that logo, which will make the text visible, and that will basically hide my circle as well as the image. And now the third UI element will be our text. So you can see here I am setting the different properties of text with the foreground color, a modifier, and an animation with an ease in out of duration of 1. And on appear I am going to basically toggle the is animating variable. And on the appearance of Z stack I am basically toggling two of the variables, animate circle and animate logo, so that we keep running the animation after these values change. So this is the logo asset that I'm going to use to basically display the image inside the logo circle on my intro screen. So here I'm showing you the output of this code after playing the code inside the simulator. So you can see that the circle is moving in rounds, and after its animation ended, a logo is displayed, which is basically my channel logo, and after that a text appears after some animations. So this is all for this animation part. I hope you have enjoyed it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and post any comments and queries inside the comment section. Stay tuned. Bye.